Well, hey there, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys. So these, I do this video every month, so I wasn't about to skip a month. These are the full spoilers for the Ipsy October bags. We have got standard, plus, as well as ultimate, and we also have the full add-ons. Now, again, everybody already knows what they're getting, so I just like to do this video and see what everybody's getting in their bags, because it's so exciting, especially for these bags. These bags have been my favorite. Well, I don't know. They're kind of neck and neck with the November bags. If you haven't seen those, I'll try to remember to link that video pinned in the comments. But those bags are absolutely amazing. They have got my favorite colors together. But these bags are just as good. So I like October bags and the November bags. They've been really good. And especially after those last few bags before those, because I didn't really like those. So anyways, this is just a video showing you the full spoilers for October Ipsy bags. And this is where we come to talk, to tell what we get, to compare our bags with everybody else. That's what we do. So guys, if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some BoxyCharm surveys. Well, thank you so much, Tony Michelle. Tony says, hey girl. Well, hey Tony, honey, how are you doing? I hope your weekend's going great, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You'll see a little red heart turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But you're also going to have good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Again, these are the full spoilers for the Ipsy October bags. This is for standard, plus, and ultimate, and I got the add-ons. So let's go ahead and start with the standard bag. Here's a reminder of what the bag looked like, and then we'll start diving into the spoilers. Now, for those of you that have been with me a while, y'all know I don't name off every single product because there's always too many of them to name. Ipsy's always got just about 40 spoilers. For the standard bag, it's usually that. So I just popped the spoilers up here so we could see them. And again, everybody already knows what they got. So this is just a video to come to where we compare bags and see what everybody else is getting. We're nosy like that. So guys, while we're doing this, so I finally got accepted. Well, not finally. I never really applied for it. I think I applied for it one time. The Ipsy Open Studios, if you don't know what that is where creators can team up with Ipsy. I don't know what all it's got, guys. I really don't. I think I applied for it one time, and that's been probably about a year or two ago, and I don't think I got accepted. But anyways, guys, I got this email out of the blue from Ipsy Open Studios, and at first I thought it was fake. And to watch those emails with links and stuff, so I don't never hit any links or anything on any email, because I'm just scared to death somebody's going to try to hack me, because I've already had my Instagram hacked one time. But anyways, I got this email from Ipsy Open Studios. So anyways, they sent me an email wanting to know if I wanted to be part of the Ipsy Open Studios, if I wanted to be a member. And of course, again, I thought the email was fake. So I kind of was doing my research to make sure the email was real and everything. Come to find out it was real. So I get on there and I fill out my information and everything. They said they'd let me know something around the 1st of October, which was a couple of weeks ago actually, is when they got back with me and said that I've been accepted. Guys, I was so excited. And I think they send out a bag to me. I know one's coming because I just got the tracking number, and hopefully it'll be here this coming week. but I believe it said it was going to be sending me the standard and the plus bag. I don't know. I could be wrong about that, but I think that's what I glanced over and seen. So again, I just got the tracking number, so it should be here sometime this week. And I'm just so excited. I just can't wait to show you guys what's going to be in these bags. I don't even know what's going to be in these bags. It's not like a normal bag. You know, whenever you can look on your account and see what you're getting. It's kind of surprised what they send you. So I'm really excited to see what they send, and I can't wait to show you guys and do an unboxing. I just can't wait to really dive in, because I don't know exactly all of the advantages you could get with open studios. I'm so excited to dive in and see what all I could do with this Ipsy open studios. Now, I know something about you could go to like their building and use it to film or whatever. It's not like I'm going to do any of that, because they're probably way off from me, so I wouldn't be doing anything like that. But I am excited to see what all goes with this, being a member and everything, and I can't wait to see what they send me. You know, this is like my first like real PR, and I don't even think it's PR. I don't think they're going to be sending it every month. I think it's just a one-time thing, you know, when you first get accepted or you first join. But I am excited about it, guys, because really the only PR that I actually get is from Good Molecules, and I have never done a video about them or anything. They just send me their products every time something new comes out, and they do have some really amazing serums and stuff, so I really do need to, you know, film a video showing some of my favorites from Good Molecules, because they really are a good brand. So again, I did want to share that story with you guys, because I'm so excited. Again, I've never been a part of anything like this. Don't get PR from anybody. So I just can't wait, guys. It just feels like the beginning of a new start. And just because I'm with Ipsy Open Studios doesn't mean that I'm getting paid for anything. They're not paying me for nothing. So I guess it's like a little club for creators. I'm not exactly sure. But it's not like I'm going to be just with Ipsy. You know, I'm still going to be doing my BoxyCharm and my AIA spoilers and all of that. And actually, AIA, I didn't think about that. They have sent me the last 2 boxes that they had. And originally, I thought I was just supposed to get the first box and review that. And then, lo and behold, surprise to me, I got a tracking number for the next box. So that was kind of cool to get that. Now, I don't know if that means I'm on their PR or, you know, they just sent me another box just to be doing it. That's another box that I'm really excited for. I think that box is going to do really well. I love that they're always featuring a new, you know, influencer or beauty brand. I do love that. And I love that it's just one brand in each box. I think that's kind of cool. But anyways, guys, I did want to share that with you. And I hope everybody's weekend is going great, and I hope everybody's doing well. And guys, let me know what you think about all these items down in the comments section. And again, let us know what you got in your bag so we can compare it with everybody else. But again, guys, let us know what you got in your bag. And also, did you get any of the add-ons? Guys, that is it for this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Tara Van Cleve. I hope I said that right, and if I didn't, I do apologize, Tara. Anyways, Tara says, yay! Well, Tara, honey, I'm so glad that you enjoyed the video, and I really appreciate you coming and watching it. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.